Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fane Padabala. So today I'm going to give a topic. So this is extension of the previous topic. So before going to start my topic, I will give some motivation of my topic today. So when you went any temple or when you went any marriage or birthday function or any some celebrations in your relatives, so if your relatives saw you, so they will say that you are looking like your father, you are looking like your mother, and your walking style is looking like your grandfather, and your hairstyle is looking like your grandmother. So did you experience this one or not? In some situations in our life, definitely you will experience. Yes or no? So these are all the characters. Yes or no? So these characters are transferring from the parents to the progeny. That is called heredity. And if they are transferring from the grandfather to grandson, or grandmother to granddaughter, that is called inheritance. So I already said in the previous video about the definitions of heredity and inheritance. So as I said before, this is an extension of the previous topic. So the topic name is heredity. So heredity. So heredity is a process of transferring of the characters from parents to the progeny. And the father of the genetics is John Grigor Mandel. He conducted 7 experiments for the 7 years, and he chose some contrasting characters like seed color, seed shape, pod shape, position of the flower, and the length of the stem, and the color of the flower. And also he chose the pea plant. He's having the 5 characters, so that's why he chose the pea plant for conducting his experiments. And finally he got some information that characters are transferring from the generation to generation. And also he conducted the mono hybrid cross. So mono hybrid cross. So what is the meaning of mono? Mono means a single. So as I said before, 7 contrasting characters. In these 7 contrasting characters, he chose only one character, that is a seed color. Seed color. So the color of the seed is yellow and green. So yellow and the green is an character, yes or no? So now we will see the allele or factor, capital Y, small y, small y. This is the determining agent of the trait. Okay. So let us see capital Y, small y, small y. So he conducted the mono hybrid cross. So for conducting the mono hybrid cross, he chose first one, cross pollination. What is the meaning of a pollination? Pollination is nothing but the releasing of the pollen grains from the anther, and it will reach to the stigma. Yes or no? That is called pollination. Again, the pollination is categorized into 2 types. One is a cross pollination, one is a self pollination. Bisexual flowers, all the bisexual flowers comes under the self pollination. Unisexual flowers comes under the cross pollination. So about the structure of the flower, how the pollination will take place, I uploaded in the previous videos. If you want, means you can see in my playlist about the structure of the flower and the embryo sac, how the fertilization will takes place. So let us see now the cross pollination. They conduct for the monohybrid cross. He choose the characters of the seed color. So let us see now capital Y, small y, small y. You will get the gametes now, capital Y, small y, small y. Now you will check the characters in the checkerboard. So checkerboard is nothing but you will just check the characters how they transferred. So you will take the male and the female. These are all the symbols. So capital Y and capital Y, small y, small y. So now we'll see capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. So here all are expressed as dominant. All are expressed as dominant. See, the dominant character is there. The capital Y always represent that is a dominant, and the small y always represent that is a recessive. So all are expressed as a dominant, and the color of the seed is yellow. So this is called law of dominance. In this, all the seeds are expressed as in the form of yellow color only. This is called law of dominance, which is said by the Mandel. So Mandel said that the law of dominance is expressed in the F1 generation. It is also known as filial generation. So next generation, the F2 generation is also known as second filial generation. In this, so he conducted the experiment by the self-pollination. 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 He choose capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Okay. The gametes is capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Now we'll check in the checkerboard. So male and the female symbols, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Now see, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, small y, and the small y, capital Y, or capital Y, small y, small y, small y. So now we will see out of these four boxes, see capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. These three are looking like same y because they contains the dominant character of y. So here, if you take these four boxes is 100%, the three boxes are dominant. Means 75% is yellow and 25% is green, that is a recessive character. So when you are converting into the ratio, that is 3:1. That is a phenotypic ratio. Externally visible characters we are called as the phenotype. The ratio we are called as the phenotypic ratio in the second filial generation. Phenotypic ratio, that is 3:1. Now we will see in the F3 generation, the third filial generation. The third filial generation. So this is somewhat more. Let us see. He conducted the third generation of the self pollination only. So capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y. The first one is dominant, and next he taken the recessive. Okay. Now he got the capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Now we will draw the checkerboards for this three. I will draw down somewhat. Okay. Capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. So three checkerboards. So again the male and the female symbol, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y. Now here again symbols common, small y, small y, small y, small y. Now here see the same symbols, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Now you will see capital Y, 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 capital Y. Okay, clear? Now see small y, small y, small y, small y, again small y, small y. The four are small y, small y. And here see the capital Y, the capital Y, small y, again small y, capital Y. That is a capital Y, small y. The last one is small y, small y. So in this, see, these four are again dominant. Yes or no? They are expressed as yellow, consisting of the ratio is 25%. Okay. So here all are recessive. Yes or no? Consisting of 25% ratio. Now see, this is consisting of the 50%. 50%. Out of this 50%, see capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. These three is consisting of, as in the F2 generation, 75% is yellow and 25% is green. So clear. So if you see the genotypic ratio, 25:50:25. So what you will get? 1:2:1. That is a genotypic ratio. If you see the phenotypic ratio is, that is a 3:1. These ratios are very important for your competitive exams. Very important. The phenotypic ratio in the F2 generation is 3:1, and F3 generation the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Very important. So this is about the monohybrid cross said by the John Grigor Mandel. So next he conducted dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross, see here monohybrid cross, he choose only one contrasting character, that is a seed color. In the dihybrid cross, he taken seed color and the seed shape. The shape of the seed is a round or wrinkle. I will explain the next video. So about the dihybrid cross. So this is about the monohybrid cross. So the ratio of the phenotypic ratio is 3:1 and the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So very important both for 10th class and the intermediate. So in the 10th class maximum they will ask the ratios and what is phenotype, what is genotype they will ask. In the intermediate means very important. This is 12 marks question. Okay. So based on this you will get some information about my video. So if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, like my channel and comment my channel. If you want any information regarding my subject, please comment it in the comment box. Definitely I will upload that topics in the coming videos. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Take care and bye bye.